Welcome to this new introductionary video of Perfectress Private Link Hair Extensions. Private Link Hair Extensions do not use any glue or solvents, no heat, no tape, and cause no damage to the natural hair. A new exclusive design that's fully reusable for up to a year. They have received our unique concealed treatment that eliminates the reflection of light. And with the fast installation time, you can get in 90 minutes from this to this. The very small, soft, fine and flexible attachment of the Private Link makes them extremely comfortable to wear and virtually undetectable. The application is straightforward. Thread the natural hair through the loop, pull the loop through the Private Link, and crimp the micro link with the transformer. Perfectress Private Link Hair Extensions are exclusively for professionals. Thank you for watching. For more information visit perfectressinternational.com.